right, Fine Music 605. Heard that number somewhere before. Hey,
Got it.
you know I got to bring up the torture device. You know that. But I have very few tortures today, so if that's any consolation, only two. Here we go. Boy. I'm trying to put on the sound here. That bar sometimes travels for me. Come on, bar. Be a good bar. Only don't play music. There we go. And we got the sound. All right. All right, so these are retro too, huh? Like this one band is from the 80s and this other band's from the 90s.
Oh,
Why, that's 30 to 40 years ago. Wow. It's amazing what is lurking deep down in the algorithms. The first one is called Cleveland, but as you can see from the cover, they don't spell it that way.
oh.
Cleveland. Yeah, but they're from Cleveland and they're dedicated to Cleveland. And I guess we'll see if they've got the blues. Good idea.
I got the blues.
Oops. Yeah, okay. This intro for Journey fans only.
Pieces. My life was in little pieces. And then I met you.
The horn? What's on the cover, yeah. They do a cover of Whiter Shade of Pale.
Put it all together. You helped me, and we did it all together. And then you left me. Now I'm so blue.
Good stopping point.
The beginning reminded me of Motley Crue. You say I'm a dreamer. Da-na-na-na. That's what just a little the intro part, but other than that, I was like, huh. Okay. That's it.
Question, do you think all their songs are like this?
No. No.
What other title should I play to disprove this theory?
Whiter shade of pale.
No, I can't do that. It's a copyrighted song.
Okay.
Oh. Do Get It On?
That could be a copyrighted song too.
How about the first one? Could be the
I hope that's
too.
not a copyrighted song.
Let's see.
Here we go. I want to play it. So far, so good. This is so
What?
80s.
Can you see me drowning in a river of pity? I reach out and find no one there.
Kind of jazzy.
Not long ago, I was strong. Now the roots of my soul are gone. From the friction of wear and tear, I'm gonna reach out and hold so warm. It doesn't matter where he comes from. Gonna hold on, gonna hold on, hold on, never let go. Reach out and hold so warm. It doesn't matter where he comes from. Gonna hold on, gonna hold on, reach out, never let go.
It's different.
Kind of reminding me of Miami Vice, like those movies.
Yeah, it's got that 80s drum sound,
Yeah.
and they're jazzy too. What?
Little orchestration there.
Yeah. And they say they represent Cleveland, so leave it
No,
at
probably
that.
not. Cleveland's more hard rock.
Well, they're from
town.
Cleveland. And
Yeah.
interestingly enough, maybe to further prove your point, Jim, this album's called 53-54, but it's really 54 and 23 in terms of minutes and seconds. So go figure.
That's just a little off of 5150, I guess, huh?
Yeah. I think I had some other obscurity from them. So yeah, this is one song from Cleveland. I guess they had another album called Secrets.
Wow,
This is the whole album, I think. It's a 22-minute album.
the front cover looks like a humanoid moth, man, coming at you.
That's right, over the city of Cleveland, no less.
Ah,
I could play a snip of this. It'll have to be the, well, I don't know, I could do any part of the
Cleveland's
album.
the only place where there's a 90-degree turn on an interstate highway.
Oh,
Boom, boom, just like that. You wouldn't
90
believe it.
degrees.
90-degree turn on an interstate highway.
All right.
No kidding.
Keep talking, man. We'll go with the music.
This is more like Cleveland sound. That's more like Cleveland music right there.
All right. That's good to know. And like I said, one other band. This one's from the 90s. In fact, I might even cover this one. You know, it's hard for me to know where I've been the past week, honestly. Did I cover Randy Bush already?
no, I never heard of her.
Randy Bush?
I
No,
was
good.
looking at it. I was like, who's that?
Because the story behind Randy Bush is a group. It has a female vocalist on the cover. And I guess the first time they did this album, it didn't succeed. So they did a complete and total remix and put it out a year later. And it still didn't succeed.
Dang,
Surprise.
that's
So if I can identify which version is which, let's see. This is the 1996 version. That's the second version. So that means this one
oh, Eurodance.
is the first version,
Okay,
1994.
Let's hear it. Let's see why it didn't.
Yeah, I mean, that's what the show's all about, man. Although you have to know, I mean, it's my big disclaimer is that everything you hear from me, I bought it. I like it.
Randy Bush.
So that's the way it goes, guys. All right, so this is actually only got looks like 6 songs on it, and then everything is other mixes.
Take my heart.
Let's go to the bonus of the bonus tracks. Leaving. Says it's electronica and dance. From Spain, if I forgot to say so, they're from Spain. And they do a remake of Foreign Affair, if you know that song. So far, not too different from Cleveland.
This is good. I like
More
it.
dancey. Yeah. This bonus track might not have any vocals at all. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's my jam there.
They really worked hard on making it a sound. They did. I see the difference in the other album. Oh, I was just going to go into the vocals, but I went over 120.
This sounds something out of the 90's, early 90's. Runaway.
Well, it is mid 90s, yeah.
No. The what is it that they do? The modeling thing, the walk runaways or what?
Runway models?
Runaway models. Yeah, it sounds something
Runway
like
models?
or
It does sound like that, huh?
paparazzis
Runway
are
model
there.
music,
Yeah.
Flashing. Yeah, that's
Okay.
what it's. That's yeah.
So let's see if this version of Leaving is any different. Maybe not.
What the heck? Oh, Euro
Those are
dance.
new shoes right there. Baby, I can't wait. Remember that song?
No, it's Eurodance. Yeah.
New shoes, yeah. Need some go-go's in there. I gotta go get my bell-bottom pants.
We might not hear this singer at all. I had to pick the last song. But sometimes the short sounds like a melody was 5 minutes, now it's 3 minutes.
Stifling myself right now, not saying what I want to say. What's for the benefit of everybody here?
Oh, didn't get to the vocals on that one.
There you go.
Maybe I should play one more just to get to some vocals. Apparently, Take My Heart might have been a single. It sounds like a melody. Those must be the two singles.
Club mix. There you go.
So I'm going to go back. Oh, man. Which album is it? Yeah. This is the 94 one. Okay. I'll just play the intros just to see if they're any different between the two albums. Let's see real quick. There's some band that was big back then. Sounded like
Okay, I think judging from that song, I think I could see why it didn't do well because it was competing with other music sound just like that one. Because
right.
That one reminds me of something that I've heard from that band.
That ABBA imitator. What was the name of that band?
Oh, Ace of Spades. It kind of reminds me
Ace of Spades. Right.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the one.
That's that. And then other.
And New Shoes, that band, New Shoes, was really similar.
Yeah. They all thought that's why I was okay. I see.
Having my own bait. Okay. So 2 years later, they make the song 2 minutes shorter. Will the intro be any different?
Oh God, let's see this.
Oh wow!
What?
It's almost like they re-recorded the whole album.
Yeah, they redid the album. They really did. Shorter intro.
The AAIH is gone.
Reggae in there.
Ace
The
of
Fidelity's
Base.
a lot better.
Ace
Fidelity's a lot better.
Ace of Base. Yeah,
Ace of
that
Base, yeah.
Yeah,
They have the
that's-
hits.
right there. Like
Hey, this
clearly,
band's right.
I hear that. I hear that clearly.
Wow.
They did a very faithful remake of Foreign Affair. So if you're a fan of that song, they do a very good version of it. And that was my gateway drug into this album. Little did I know there would be two completely different albums. All right, so that's fine music for today. I hope you found some things of interest, and we're here every Monday on YouTube. Episode 605 has just about ended. I just have to remind everybody, go to Facebook too, because there's a fine music group on Facebook. That's right. And you can post your finds there because we post our finds there. Yeah. So go do it. Go do it. Let's go. Say goodbye.
Adios.